The Lost Kite Adventure. Emma loved flying her red kite. On a windy day, she took it to the park, watching it soar higher and higher. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind tugged it from her grip, and it drifted out of reach, landing in a tree far from the path. Emma felt disappointed, but she wasn't ready to give up. With determination, she decided to search for a way to retrieve her kite. As she walked, she met Leo, a boy with a sturdy stick. Leo offered to help her, and together they tried to reach the kite. Although the stick wasn't long enough, their teamwork and laughter turned the moment into a fun adventure. They noticed a park ranger nearby and told him about their situation. The kind ranger had a ladder and helped them get the kite down from the tree. Emma thanked the ranger and Leo, feeling grateful for their kindness. On her way home, Emma realized that losing her kite wasn't so bad after all. She had made a new friend and learned that sometimes asking for help leads to happy surprises. That day, Emma promised herself to always lend a hand to others, just as Leo and the ranger had done for her.